Welcome to V.I Tech Academy, where accessibility meets innovation.
Hello guys, welcome to V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. This is your host Ratul and you are welcome to another video of NVDA Global Extension add-on. This is part 2. So guys, in our previous video of this add-on, we have discussed one of the best feature of this add-on, which is append copy. Those who have already watched, thank you for watching, and those who didn't watch, go and watch now, because we have discussed many important things about that add-on which you have to know before learn these things or learn additional things. Okay guys, so today we are going to discuss another feature of this NVDA add-on. Those who are using social media regularly, or those sometimes you have seen like some grave accent, some special A, some special B, some special C, some special characters, cursive characters, right? So these are some symbols which is not completely accessible for the blind people. I actually cannot explain in words. It's like sometimes it's in a grave accent A, or something accent A, lower accent, upper accent A. Okay, so these are some other symbols like registered trademark, some math symbols, some currency symbols, which is required. Sometimes we require this, but unfortunately we are not getting them in a easy way. Yes, obviously Windows clipboard has this, like emoji section is there. You can use the emojis. For example, if you go Windows plus comma or full stop, then if you type copyright, you can get the copyright sign. As well as there is some numbers also there. For example, if you want to write the rupee sign, so you can write Alt 8377. So then it will appear the rupee sign. If you want to add the bullet sign to your notepad, you need to use Alt 0149 or something similar. I forget actually exact things. So these are some numbers which you have to type. Okay, those who know HTML, they can understand these things, because in HTML they are called HTML entities. By the way guys, we have our HTML playlist for free. If you wish to learn, visit our HTML playlist, so you can learn HTML for free. Also, we have started the JavaScript tutorial, but we are not getting views, so that's why we are not uploading the videos. So if you want to get more tutorials of JavaScript, go and watch now. Okay, so one more important thing, like those who are interested to learn how to design websites within just 2 months using WordPress, no code, nothing is required, then join our WordPress for Beginners course. New batch will start soon. Visit the about page for more details and courses page. So guys, let's come back to the video. Now here in this NVDA add-on, you have a section where you can find these symbols. Additionally, you can add your own symbols also. So let us explore. So now I'm in the notepad. So let me just open this dialog. So to open this feature, press Command plus F4. Those who don't know about the command, watch our first part of this add-on video. Okay, so just I am pressing the command and F4.
NVDA Global Commands Extension. Help for complex symbols. Addition dialog. Categories. List Alt plus C. Lowercase accented vowels.
See, lowercase accented vowels.
Capital accented vowels.
Capital accented vowels. Some different vowels. Letters will be there. A, E, I, O, U. Okay, just I'm exploring.
Lowercase capital
press enter.
Symbols. List Alt E acute capital.
C.
E acute capital. I acute capital. O acute capital. U acute capital.
Okay, C.
Y acute capital. A grave copy tail. Untitled notepad.
Sorry, it's closed.
NVDA capital lowercase accented vowels. capital accented monetary symbols.
Monetary symbols, though they made a spelling mistake. So under monetary symbols you get dollars, you get whatever you want.
Math symbols.
Math symbols, so under math you will get the math related symbols.
Punctuation symbols.
Punctuation symbols, you can get different punctuation symbols. Though they are available on the keyboard, but special symbols are not there. If you wish to use them, then you can visit here.
Other symbols.
So let's suppose I want to add the copyright and registered. So what I do is I just go to other symbols.
List all copyright symbol.
Copyright symbol.
Registered symbol.
A registered symbol.
Trademark.
Okay, trademark.
French Cecil red copyright symbol.
So let's say I'm just using
registered
what
symbol.
I can say, registered trademark. Okay. So I just use this. So what I do, I just press tab.
Copy to clipboard
I
button
can
Alt
copy
plus C.
Or
paste button Alt plus
I can
P.
directly paste. So I'm just pressing enter on it.
Registered symbol pasted.
Registered symbol
Untitled
pasted. Now I just
notepad.
see.
Registered blank. Registered blank.
Okay. Then trademark. So simple.
NVDA capital monetary math function. Other symbols. Copyright register. Copyright trademark. Copy to clipboard paste button Alt plus
So
P.
click on paste button.
Trademark pasted. Star registered.
Okay,
registered trademark.
Okay,
Registered
registered
trademark.
trademark. Okay, it is not like it is completely pasted. It is not written by the things in just spell out the things. Okay, now I'm just going to the monetary symbol and there is no rupee sign. See,
NVDA cap monetary symbol. Euro currency.
dollar sign,
cent sign.
cent
British pound.
British pound,
Japanese yen.
Japanese
Dutch
yen,
florin.
Dutch
Generic
florin,
currency symbol.
generic currency symbol. Okay.
Dutch percent dollar sign. Euro currency.
So there's no rupee sign. So I want to add the rupee sign here. How to add?
Copy to clip paste button Alt manage your symbols
Click
button
on
Alt
manage
plus
your
M.
symbols.
User symbols manager dialog. Categories list Alt plus C. Monetary
Okay.
symbols.
Monetary symbols is selected. Press tab.
Symbols list Alt plus Y.
Tab.
Unknown. Add a symbol button Alt plus A.
Click on add a symbol.
Adding symbol in monetary symbols category dialog. Enter the symbol. Edit blank.
So here you need to
Num lock
enter the
off.
symbol. Okay, so I'm just entering the
Num lock
symbol
on.
Alt 8377. See, rupee sign is there.
Blank.
Okay, maybe it's not there. So let me just type it in a notepad.
Star registered trademark blank.
So let me type here. Then
Num lock
I'll
on.
just do it.
Rupee selected. Copy.
So I'm just
Add,
copying
enter the
rupee
symbol.
and
Edit.
then
Enter the
here I
symbol.
just
Paste
type
rupee.
it.
Blank.
Rupee is typed now.
Enter the description. Edit
So
blank.
enter the description. I just type Indian.
Indina. Indian
Rupee.
OK button.
Just click on OK.
User symbols manager dialog.
And then
Add a
you can
symbol
click on
button.
OK.
Delete the symbol. Add a category button. Alt plus
Add a
C.
category. So if you want, you can add another category also. For example, some other things.
Save button. Alt plus
Click
S.
on save button.
NVDA global commands extension. Help
And
for
then click on
complex
again.
symbols. Addition symbols. List Alt copy to paste button. Manage close button. Alt category. Close
Now
button.
see,
Manage your symbols. Paste button. Alt plus copy to
see.
clipboard symbol. Euro currency.
Euro currency.
Dollar sign.
Cent sign.
British pound. Japanese yen. Dutch florin. Generic currency symbol.
Generic currency symbol.
Indian rupee.
Just paste it.
Copy to clip paste button Alt plus P. Indian rupee pasted. Star registered register rupee. Blank rupee. Carriage rupee. Registered rupee. Blank. Carriage return. Registered blank.
Just I'm doing the same again. Let's
NVDA
try
capital
for-
lowercase cap monetary symbols.
Paste it
Symbols.
on
Euro
notes.
currency. Dot bridge app Dutch generic Indian. Copy paste button Alt plus P. Star registered blank rupee.
Yes.
Rupee.
See.
Carrot rupee.
Rupee is pasted. Okay. Now, guys, you may think one more interesting feature of this add-on, which I'm going to show you related to these symbols things. Let's suppose you use 4 or 5 symbols daily you require. Now you need to go to this category, type this, go to this category and select this. It's a quite lengthy process. So for this, it has another feature. Okay, I have deleted all these things. Now I just use another key combination, Command plus Control plus F4. Okay. comment, then Control plus F4. So let me press.
NVDA Global Commands Extension. Last used complex symbols.
Now
Normal
see.
configuration. Dialog. Symbols. List Alt plus S. Registered symbol.
See, register symbol last used. Okay.
Trademark.
Trademark.
Indian rupee.
Indian rupee.
Registered sim trademark.
Trademark. Indian rupee. Just press tab.
Copy to clipboard.
Copy.
Paste button Alt plus P. Copy to clip paste button Alt plus
Paste
P.
button, though it's a typo.
Delete all button Alt plus
Delete
P.
all. So all of your recent used things will be deleted.
Close button Alt. Delete paste button Alt
Just
plus
have to
P.
paste.
Indian rupee pasted.
Indian rupee pasted.
Untitled. No rupee. Rupee. Blank. Rupee.
Okay.
Rupee
So
blank.
this is how you can easily add the symbols you want, and this is how you can easily use the recent used, daily used symbols quickly. Okay. So this is another great feature of this NVDA add-on. Now you may ask, sir, where can I download this add-on? You can download this add-on from our Telegram channel, and the add-on is pinned. So don't forget to check out the pinned message, because this is a wonderful add-on. And I'll try to drop the link in the video description below, as well as at the pinned comment. Sometimes I may forget, so don't forget to join our Telegram channel. Okay. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If so, press the like button, share this video, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials with screen readers. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, bye bye.